Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Emojis, welcome back to my channel, and today is Vlogmas day 5. I know I got yesterday's day wrong, and also I know that I said the day would be me decorating the water bottles, but it's because that I still need to do something to get them, and I also don't have all of them. So today is going to be my night routine. Actually, I got this idea from my friend right here or somewhere, because I had no idea what to do for today, and she said she was doing a night routine, so I was like, hey, can I copy you? She was like, okay, sure. So yeah, go follow her on her socials and stuff over here. Let's get on to it. Alright, so the first thing I do is wash my face. So the first face wash thing I use is this Night Relaxing Deep Clean Face Wash. I got this one at Target, but you can also get it at Walmart. So first I wash my face. I wet my face just with a little bit of water. And then I use this Proactive thingy, because I used to have Proactive, I don't have anymore, but a little scrub thingy, and just 2 settings. So then after I've wet my face, then I'll just wet my hands a little bit, just kind of get them damp, and then it's locked. And I'll get like 1 squeeze. It looks blue, but it's actually clear. And then I get a little bit of extra water on my hands. And then just... So I use all of my face washes first, and then I use a cleanser. Sitting there now. And now I'm going to wash off my face. And then I just dry my face. And also, if I had makeup on before, then I'll use this Yes to Clear Skin thingy. I think I got this at Walmart, but I didn't have any makeup on, that's why I didn't use it. So. Alright. Then I use this oil-free acne wash. And I'm pretty sure I actually got this at Dollar Tree. I know it's like, oh, Dollar Tree's not gonna work. It actually works pretty well. So, again, I'm just gonna, not too wet. Again, just gonna wet my face first and get my hands a little bit wet. And then I get 1 pump. That went everywhere, sometimes 2, it depends. If you get this stuff, do not put it on your eyes or on your mouth. Like, you know how sometimes I put it on my eyes? Because it stings, like really bad. So don't get it in your mouth or on your eyes. Just to let you know. Okay, now I'm just gonna wash it off. And I just dry my face. Good. Okay. And then I have 2 cleansers. First cleanser I use is this Soy Face Cleanser, which I don't know where you can get this because it was a gift. But that's what it is. And this stuff's really, really gentle, and a little goes like a really long way. Like you can get maybe that much, and that's maybe a little bit even too much for your face. Like it looks really small, but it's because it like goes a really long way. This one's pretty much out though. See, it's like really hard to get anything out. I'm gonna fold it to get it out. I did a bubble and it flew. See, just like that. I just wash it off. Let's try my face. I know I think that this is a lot for my face. I only do this, like I don't do this every single night. I think maybe like every other night, because there is like a lot of face washes. Sometimes I'll like, oh, this little thing. I'll like just use this or just use this. But like every other night I'll use all of them together. And then, and then the last cleanser I use is this one. It's a Gentle Clear Clarifying Acne Cream Cleanser by Cetaphil. I think that's how you say your name. My mom got me this at Walmart. I'm just gonna wet my face first, like always, and my hands are a little bit damp. And this one, you don't need that much either. Like that much should be good. I'm sure you can also get that at Target, but my mom got it for me at Walmart. Okay, so then I'll just wash the excess off my hands. And then I'm gonna get this wet a little bit. And sometimes I'll put a little bit extra on here, or we'll just do it on. So I'm gonna put a higher setting. And you go in circular motions. And like you don't stay in one spot, you have to keep going. I'll link all of these products below. Take it off, and I'll just kind of take all of the stuff that's on here off. And then I'll wash it off. And then just dry off my face. Also, try to pat your face, not rub. Like, if you rub too harshly, it damages. You can like rub a tiny bit, but don't like rub really fast. Just try to pat mostly, because it's just way better for your skin. I keep getting like water running down my arm. Okay, and then I use some dust on it from being in the drawer. So I have this Pond's, I think it's like, light moisturizer, which I also got this one at Dollar Tree too, but you can probably get it at other places. This is water everywhere. You can probably get it other places. Just take a little bit, like that much, and just dab it all over my face, like that, and then just rub it in. And I also use a little bit on my hands and put it on my neck. And if you use any of the Acne washes, or, well, mostly the Acne washes, you really want to moisturize after because they dry out your skin a lot from the acid. What's it? Yeah, salicylic acid. That's what it is. Because that really, really, really dries out your skin because, like, it dries out your skin. Like, it's meant to do that. And then, like, your acne. So that kind of helps the acne go away. So it's really important to moisturize after because when I first got it, I didn't know that I had to moisturize after. And in the morning, I had like my whole face was super like dry and cracked. And yeah, so it's just really important too. So I just rub it in until like it's mainly dry. Okay. And then if it's not dry yet, then I'll just wait a minute to dry. Mine's pretty much dry. And then I use 100% pure Rosehip Oil, which this was my mom's. I think she got it on Amazon. Maybe not, but it was my mom's and then she gave it to me. It's really hard to open. So I'll just get a little bit. You don't need that much. Just a little bit. And I kind of like tip my head back so I'm able to pour it on. And I put a little bit on my neck and then rub it in. But like, you have to tip your head back like that because otherwise it drips really down. It also feels really weird when it drips. But yeah, and then I'll just slowly rub that in my face. It's really hard to rub because it's an oil. But once you get like most of it rubbed in, then it starts to get easier. And also it kind of, what's this called? Sinks? No, I don't know. Can't think of the word is, but just gets under your skin. Soaks into your skin. And I just put a little bit over my eyes. So now like my face like might feel like a little bit sticky, but it dries really fast. Next, I use this lip scrub. It's named Watermelon. It says Fizz and Bubble, but it doesn't. I think I got this at Sephora or Kohl's somewhere. Well, I'll link it down below. So then this is also edible, so that you can kind of lick it off when you're done. So I just grab a little bit like that, and just, yeah, and then just leave it for a minute. And you can either lick it off or grab it. I just lick it and then dry my lips. And sometimes there's like the scrub that gets all over your face, so then I just like to kind of wipe down my face a little bit. And then I just have this random lip balm. I don't know where I got it. It's just, I'm not going to link this down below because it's literally just lip balm. And just put them on. I have like 10 different lip balms. This is just the one that I grabbed. I'm just gonna put this all away, okay? I'm just gonna brush out my hair. This is what you get when you have thick hair. This is the brush I have. I got it at Target. Now I'm just putting it in a really high pony. Scrunchies or hair ties. I'm using 2 scrunchies. 2 scrunchie usually holds it up really well. And also, I like it because high buns keep my bangs in, high ponytails, and low ponytails do not. So I'm going to brush out my teeth real quick. This is just my own toothbrush. And this is the toothpaste I use because I have really sensitive teeth. I have hot, cold, sensitive teeth. Usually cold, but sometimes it's hot. If it's like really hot, then my teeth start to hurt, but normally it doesn't. Okay, and then last thing, so I have this Johnson's bedtime since the giant thing. I don't know when my mom got this, she gave it to me. And then yeah, I'll just use a little bit on my hands because in winter my hands get really, really dry. And I'll put like on my arms too. I think it's for babies. You're supposed to like put it on their body to help them sleep or something because like the oils and stuff. I think, but I just use it. Because I think it's, yeah, the only routine proven to help improve baby sleep. Because I'm a baby. And if I were to do a face mask, then I usually do that before I wash my face, or sometimes after. It really varies. Alright, so now let's go to my room. Alright, so now I'm gonna change my pajamas. So tonight I'm wearing these pajama pants, those stitch ones with little like Christmas sweaters on it, and snowflakes. And, oop, it fell. This tank top. So yeah, I'm just gonna change to that. Alright, so now it's pretty much the end. I don't really know. There's not really anything else. So then normally I just do some editing and then go to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was kind of short. A lot of my Vlogmases are kind of short because I cut them down. I cut out all the boring parts. So it's not. So instead of being long and boring, it's instead of short and more entertaining. So, you guys all so much, and I'll see you on my keyboard. Bye!